Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new, I'm Sharita with Unique by Sharita. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I style this bookcase, or some call it Etagere. So let's go ahead and get started, but first let's clean it. I'm just going to use the duster to dust and sweep everything into one little area, and then I'll follow up with the spray wave furniture polish. Let me go over a few reasons why I really appreciate having this bookcase. Not only is it beautiful, but it is also functional. It's a great way to add decor pieces vertically instead of horizontal in one place, and it helps eliminate clutter on my coffee table, end table, and other places throughout our home. You can also use it to display your collectibles as well as store your books. It gives you the ability to put a lot in a room without taking up much floor space. You're actually using your vertical floor space as opposed to your horizontal floor space. I'll be using the bookcase for function, books, as well as decor. These are the books I'm using. I chose these books for color, meaning, and style. And if you are interested in any of the books, I'll leave the links in the description box. So let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget about the top of the bookshelves. This is a great way to draw the eyes even higher. I already had the metal vases in place, so I didn't film these having been put in the place that they're in. Just a reminder to put felt pads on the bottom of your decor pieces, especially if you're like me, you like to shop your own home and you don't want to worry about scratching your furniture. When I style my bookcase, I focus on balance and symmetry. Since I only have one bookcase, my main focus is going to be balance. So here I started in the very center, top row. I have 4 shelves, very center, with 2 shelves and some greenery in that shelf. I'll add some more greenery to the 3rd row. Here comes the height for this shelf. I'm using 2 vases that tie the colors into my space. Then I'll add a tray of coasters at eye level. So when I say grab a coaster off the bookshelf, you'll be able to go straight to them. On this row, I'll be using books in the color black. I'm going to start off with the largest book in the very center, which is the Tom Ford coffee table book. And then I'll follow up with the Chanel in Her World. Put that in the center, closer to the edge of the book. And then I'll be using the Hollywood Black. It's a book about Black performers and filmmakers by Donald Bogle. The stars, the films, and the filmmakers. I'm not going to use the book cover, taking that off just so we can see the pretty black on black. Let's add some more of the color bronze by using these decorative balls, because that is the color that I want to bring into the space. And I'll come back later and add one more of the decorative balls to this shelf. We are going to finish this row off with some greenery. Remember, we skipped a row because you don't want all your greenery lined up together. So it just added some warmth to this particular row. So now we're going to use one heavy vase. I did come back and add the other vase that goes to it. So we want some height on the right side of the bookcase. So you notice I did center, then I did left, then I did center, and now I'm doing right with the heavy or the tall items. And now I'm just going to add some more coffee table books. I'm staying in the grayish blue color in this particular row, but I'm still adding my gold and bronze to tie all of the colors together. Not only is this book beautiful, but it's a great book to have. It's called Supreme Models. It's about iconic Black women in fashion. I'm just going to add one more book to this particular row, and then I'll finish it off with a few more decorative pieces. Just stepping back, checking my balance, moving a few pieces around, and I decided to go ahead and add the other vase back to this area, as well as the other decorative ball. And there's the finished look. Do you notice in this picture how the books are styled diagonal from shelf to shelf? Yes, that was intentional. So you can style your bookcase with your books laying flat and or standing up. I just chose to style all of mine laying flat because of the height of the books, as well as I don't have any book ends. Right, I don't have any book ends. So this is the look that I chose to go for, and I like it. I ended up moving those seashells to the bottom of the bookcase and replaced them with some gold Ming Boxes just to show you a different look. And I'm going to show them side by side. All right, you guys, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave any comments or feedback in the comment section. If you want to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.